Want to make your home super cool? Imagine stepping into a space that feels like it's from the future, where every step you take is an experience in itself. 3D floor tiles can do that. These aren't just any ordinary tiles, they bring a whole new level of creativity and innovation to your home decor. Imagine walking into a room and seeing a floor that looks like it's moving. It's like stepping into a piece of art that changes with every angle you view it from. That's the magic of 3D tiles. They are designed to create optical illusions that can transform any space into a dynamic and engaging environment. They can turn a boring floor into something spectacular. Imagine the before and after transformation of a room. It's like night and day. Get ready to impress your friends with your awesome new floor. It's not just a conversation starter, it's a statement piece that showcases your unique taste and style. These tiles aren't just about looks. They offer practical benefits too. They can actually make a room feel bigger. The optical illusions created by the 3D designs can make even the smallest spaces appear more open and airy. Imagine a small bathroom suddenly feeling spacious. It's like adding square footage without any construction, or a narrow hallway looking wider. These tiles can completely change the perception of space in your home. That's the power of 3D. And the best part? They are easy to install. You can have a brand new look in no time. They are also super durable. Made from high-quality materials, these tiles are built to last. You can walk on them all you want. They won't break easily, perfect for households with kids or pets. This makes them great for busy areas in your home. Whether it's the hallway, kitchen, or living room, these tiles can handle it all. So, if you're looking to add a touch of modernity and a whole lot of wow factor to your home, 3D floor tiles are the way to go. Transform your space and let your floors tell a story. Okay, but what are 3D floor tiles exactly? Are they just a fancy gimmick, or is there more to them than meets the eye? Let's dive in and explore the fascinating world of 3D floor tiles. They are like regular tiles, but way cooler. Imagine the standard tiles you see every day, but with an added layer of depth and dimension that makes them stand out. They have a special design that tricks your eyes. This design can create illusions of depth, movement, or even texture, making the floor look like it's more than just a flat surface. This makes the floor pop out or look deeper. It's almost as if the floor is coming to life, adding a dynamic element to any room. It's like magic. People are often left in awe when they first see these tiles in action. The way they can transform a space is truly mesmerizing. Why are people so obsessed with them? What is it about these tiles that captures everyone's attention? Well, they are trendy and stylish. In today's design world, everyone is looking for that unique touch that sets their home apart from the rest. They can make your home look like a magazine cover. Imagine walking into a room that looks like it was pulled straight from the pages of a high-end design magazine. Plus, they come in tons of designs. Whether you prefer something modern and sleek or something more traditional, there's a 3D tile design out there for you. You can find ones with waves creating a sense of movement and fluidity on your floor, flowers adding a touch of nature and elegance, or even galaxies for those who want to bring the cosmos into their home. The possibilities are endless. They are not just for modern homes either. These tiles can fit into any style of home, from contemporary to rustic. You can use them in any style of house. Whether you're renovating a chic city apartment or a cozy country cottage, 3D tiles can enhance the aesthetic. They can even make an old house look brand new. Imagine the transformation of a space that goes from drab to fab with just the installation of these tiles. It's a simple yet effective way to breathe new life into any room. So, if you're looking to add a touch of magic and modernity to your home, 3D floor tiles might just be the perfect solution. They offer a unique blend of style, versatility, and visual intrigue that can elevate any space. So, where's the best place to put these amazing tiles? Well, you can put them anywhere you want, but some places are extra special. Bathrooms are a great choice. Imagine stepping out of the shower onto a floor that looks like a beach, or a swirling galaxy under your feet. So cool, right? Kitchens are another perfect spot. You can use 3D tiles to create a cool design around the island, or make the whole floor look like a giant chessboard. Living rooms can also benefit from 3D tiles. Imagine your guests being wowed by a floor that looks like a deep ocean. Ready to get started? Before you begin, you'll need some tools. Don't worry, you won't need anything too fancy. First, you'll need a notched trowel. This helps you spread the glue evenly. Next, grab some tile spacers. These little guys will keep your tiles straight. A rubber mallet is handy for tapping the tiles in place. You'll also need a level to make sure your floor is flat. A tape measure will help you measure your space. And don't forget a bucket and sponge for cleaning up. Section 5. Prepping your canvas. A smooth foundation. Now let's prepare the floor. This step is super important. We want our tiles to stick nicely, right? First things first, clean the floor really well. Get rid of all the dust, dirt, and anything else that might be there. Next, check if the floor is level. If it's not, you'll need to level it using a self-leveling compound. This will ensure your tiles lay flat and look amazing. Once the floor is clean and level, it's time to mark some guidelines. This will help you lay the tiles in a straight line. Section 6. Laying the groundwork tile installation. Welcome to the exciting world of tile installation, where precision meets creativity. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or a first-timer, this guide will walk you through each step to ensure a flawless finish. Now comes the fun part, laying the tiles. This is where your project starts to take shape, transforming your space into something truly special. Don't worry, it's easier than it looks. With a bit of patience and attention to detail, you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. Just take it slow and follow these steps. Remember, preparation is key to a successful tile installation. First, apply the tile adhesive to the floor using your notched trowel. This tool is essential for spreading the adhesive evenly and ensuring a strong bond. Spread it evenly, covering a small area at a time. Working in small sections helps prevent the adhesive from drying out before you can place the tiles. Next, carefully place your first tile on the adhesive. This initial tile will serve as your guide for the rest of the installation. Press down firmly to make sure it sticks. A good press ensures that the tile adheres properly and lies flat. Then, add spacers around the tile. These small but crucial tools help maintain consistent gaps between tiles, which is important for both aesthetics and functionality. These will ensure even spacing between all the tiles. Even spacing is key to achieving a professional look and making grouting easier later on. Continue adding tiles one by one, following your guidelines and using spacers. Take your time to align each tile properly, ensuring a straight and even layout. Use your rubber mallet to gently tap the tiles into place. This helps to secure the tiles and eliminate any air bubbles underneath. Periodically check the alignment with a level to ensure your tiles are even. This step is crucial for a smooth and professional finish. Clean any excess adhesive from the tile edges before it dries. This will make grouting easier and prevent any unsightly bumps. Admire your work as you go. Seeing the progress will keep you motivated and ensure you're on the right track. Once all the tiles are in place and the adhesive has set, it's time to prepare the grout. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for mixing. Apply the grout using a float, pressing it into the gaps between the tiles. This will fill the spaces and secure the tiles further. Wipe away any excess grout with a damp sponge before it dries. This will give your tiles a clean, polished look. And there you have it, a beautifully tiled floor that you installed yourself. Take a moment to appreciate your hard work and the transformation you've achieved. Clean up your tools and workspace and enjoy your new floor. With these steps, you've mastered the art of tile installation. Section 7. Aligning your vision, achieving the 3D effect. Here's a pro tip. Pay close attention to the tile design. You want to make sure the 3D effect lines up perfectly. Before you set each tile, hold it up to the one next to it. Make sure the design matches up perfectly. This will create the amazing 3D illusion. Don't be afraid to adjust the tiles as you go. You can always lift them up and reposition them if needed. Remember, patience is key here. Take your time and get the alignment just right. Section 8. The finishing touches, grout and seal. Once the tiles are all laid, it's time for the finishing touches. This is where your masterpiece really comes together. First, you'll need to apply grout to the spaces between the tiles. This will fill in the gaps and make everything look nice and neat. Let the grout dry completely. Then use a damp sponge to wipe away any excess grout. Finally, seal the tiles with a tile sealer. This will protect them from stains and make them easier to clean. Section 9. Congratulations, you did it! And there you have it, you've successfully installed your very own 3D floor tiles. Now sit back, relax, and admire your handiwork. Remember, practice makes perfect. Don't worry if your first attempt isn't flawless. The more you do it, the easier it will become. And most importantly, have fun with it. 3D floor tiles are all about adding your own personal style to your home, so go ahead and get creative.